Cooking is one of humanity's oldest technologies. For thousands of years, we've used one primary tool to transform food: heat from the outside in. Fire, then ovens, then stovetops. But this method has limits. It's easy to burn the outside while the inside remains raw. It's hard to cook something perfectly all the way through, and it often takes a long time. But what if we had a new kind of kitchen magic? What if we could cook food from the inside out with perfect precision in a fraction of the time and using almost no energy? Imagine a countertop appliance that doesn't get hot but can cook a steak, bake bread, or even roast vegetables to perfection. Welcome to Boson Buzz. I'm Monty Molecule, and today we're stirring the pot of culinary innovation. We're exploring the appliances that redefine heat. We're meeting the modern wizards of the wattage, the kitchen alchemists. Our story starts with a common kitchen fail: a beautifully seared steak on the outside, but a disappointingly gray, overcooked layer just beneath, with a perfect pink center only in the very middle. Or a baked potato that's fluffy on the ends but still hard in the core. The problem is that traditional heat is slow and uneven. It has to travel from the hot surface of the pan or oven through the food, molecule by molecule. By the time the center is done, the outside has often suffered. The kitchen alchemist throws out the old rulebook. Instead of applying heat to the food, they make the food generate its own heat from within. How? By using the power of waves. The first revolutionary tool is the microwave, but not as you know it. Modern precision microwaves use a technology called solid state. Instead of a clunky one-power magnetron, they use an array of tiny transistors that can direct beams of microwave energy with incredible control. Think of it like a spotlight versus a floodlight. This new microwave can target specific areas of your food, cooking it evenly and preventing the soggy or rubbery patches of old microwaves. It can even brown and crisp food by focusing energy on the surface. But the true magic wand of the kitchen alchemist is something called radio frequency, or RF, heating. This uses a different kind of energy wave, one that interacts perfectly with water molecules. Here's the alchemy. When RF waves pass through food, they cause the water molecules inside to vibrate billions of times per second. This intense vibration creates friction, and friction creates heat, deep inside the food all at once. Imagine putting a whole chicken in a sleek countertop RF oven. You close the door and set the desired internal temperature. The machine emits these radio waves, which penetrate the entire bird uniformly. The waves make the water molecules in every part of the chicken, the breast, the thighs, even the bones, start vibrating and heating up simultaneously. In minutes, not hours, the entire chicken is cooked perfectly to the same safe temperature throughout. The outside skin even gets beautifully crispy because the surface moisture evaporates quickly. It's like cooking from the inside out and the outside in, all at the same time. Another tool in the alchemist's kit uses magnetic fields. Induction cooktops are the first step. They use magnetic energy to heat the pan directly, not the stove surface. But the next step is even wilder, using magnetic fields to heat the food inside a non-metal container. Special appliances can agitate the natural ions, charged particles in food, making them collide and generate heat without ever directly touching a hot surface. This allows for incredibly gentle, uniform heating, perfect for delicate sauces or melting chocolate without a double boiler. Let's see our kitchen alchemist at work. In a test kitchen, a chef places two identical thick-cut steaks side by side. One goes on a traditional super-hot grill, the other goes into a compact RF oven. The grill steak takes 12 minutes, needs flipping, and has a large band of overcooked meat around the edges. The RF steak is ready in 4 minutes. When sliced, it's a perfect, consistent medium rare from edge to edge, with a gorgeous sear on the outside. In another demo, a baker puts a loaf of bread dough into a combination RF and hot air oven. The RF energy heats the water in the dough rapidly, causing it to rise quickly and evenly. Then, a burst of conventional hot air crisps the crust to perfection. The result? A bakery-quality loaf in half the usual time. The benefits are huge. This isn't just about speed. It's about precision, consistency, and energy savings. These appliances often use 30 to 50% less energy than a conventional oven because they're heating the food, not a large metal box and the air around it. They also preserve more nutrients and flavor because the cooking time is so short, giving vitamins less time to break down. The impact goes beyond the home kitchen. In disaster relief or military field kitchens, portable RF heaters can safely and quickly prepare meals without large, dangerous flames. In food manufacturing, RF technology can pasteurize spices or dry pasta in seconds instead of hours, saving massive amounts of energy and preserving quality. The future cooked up by kitchen alchemists is one of effortless perfection and sustainability. Imagine a smart oven that reads a tag on your frozen meal, then uses a precise combination of RF and air to reheat it so it tastes freshly made, not soggy or icy in the middle. Imagine restaurants serving perfectly cooked dishes in record time, reducing wait times and energy costs. It democratizes expert-level cooking. With an appliance that controls temperature from the inside, anyone can achieve results that usually require years of chef's intuition. It takes the guesswork out of "is it done?" and turns cooking into a reliable, repeatable science. This new wave of cooking technology shows us that by rethinking the fundamental way we transfer energy, we can solve age-old problems of unevenness, waste, and inefficiency. It turns the kitchen from a place of combustion and guesswork into a lab of precise, wave-based transformation. So, the next time you're waiting for the oven to preheat or checking if your chicken is cooked through, imagine a kitchen where heat is summoned from within, where perfect doneness is guaranteed, and where cooking is fast, clean, and magical. If you're hungry for a future where cooking is a precise science, please like and subscribe to Boson Buzz. Until next time, have a safe, curious, and delicious week.